She's good, eh?
You see this ugly ass Khesyuuu?
She's dead.
I am dead AF because I was sick. True. Yesterday was the worst. The day before yesterday was also worse because whenever I get sick, I'm the worst. But today is a glow up. I hope by the end of this video, I become healthy because after I become sick, when I get well, I don't know from where I get the energy from, but I become so much better. It's a glow up for myself and also a glow up for my health. So the first part of the glow up is getting my nails, because look at these crusty ass nails. Focusing. Oh, okay, great. Crusty. So we're gonna get a new set of nails today. So that's the first step of the glow up. Let's go.
First step of the glow.
First step of the glow up.
Do you see that?
See us. Ooh, sharp. Okay guys, we came here around 10 and now it's like 5 and I'm done with my nails. Fresh nails. My lipstick's gone. I eat burger Mexican, but it's a very cool ass place. I'll tag her down below. She does nails super cute, and this set was only for 65 ringgit plus removal. Oh, that's a steal. Her nails are more exciting. Let me on the flash. Sabah. Wait, beep it. Show your nail. Okay, that is only for like 75.
Yes.
Plus the extension.
Yes.
So I link them below. Please come and do yours here.
Because it's a perfect.
Yeah, it's it's perfection. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I've been trying to fill this nail because I went from long to short, but whatever. So now I'm just gonna put on my skincare and not wear any makeup because I'm gonna shoot some transition for my hair because I've never touched this hair for a very long time and I feel like I deserve some transition. Only been box dyeing her, so yeah, I'm gonna shoot some in my camera and some in my phone. So, and it's already 9. My appointment is in 10. I haven't received the address of the place because the new place. Oh my god, it's so much easier for me to do my eye cream, apply my eye cream, because before this I used to like I'm not feeling well still. Somebody send help. Okay guys, this is my hair before. I'm gonna bring you guys along the process so you guys can see. But this is my hair before. It's super crusty. I'm gonna get my trims chopped off, and I'm still not sure if I want to go lighter or darker, so let's see where this goes. Let's see. I'll bring you guys along. All done. I got food, I got the painting that I was doing yesterday night with Natasha, and some other stuff, and my makeup stuff inside my bag. So yeah, let's go. My ride is here. I mean, how cute is this place? It's so adorable. My water bottle is open because I was coughing very badly. Hey guys, so it's one hair wash day after my hair color, so it means 4 days later. I'm gonna get ready now and bring you guys along. So let me like finish curl up my hair and show you guys how my hair looks. I really want to come here and show you guys that this wave right here, can you see? That's my natural hair. I'm sorry it's dry because I just bleached it, so it needs to take time to like get its nutrient back, but I'm happy that it's curling back. I'm watching Emma Chamberlain. That's
It's so good. Oh.
I don't know why, but her an hour vlog is super soothing. I'm watching her getting ready for Fashion Week, and it's while I'm getting ready for a glow up. I mean, that's the best person to watch, right? For a glow up, yeah, I agree. Okay, so I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys because I started a new routine and I want to show you guys my new routine. Not my baby head peeping out. Why I didn't have the brain to open up my window just now. I just have the aircon turned on, okay guys, so don't judge me. First up, I'm gonna go in with MAC Hyper Real Serum. I don't have the moisturizer. MAC, if you love me, send me. I've worked with you before. I love your MAC moisturizer, but it's fine. Serumizer is good, so I'll 2 pump. Next up, I'll go in with this Stay Over Long Lasting Setting Spray. I'm gonna try this. I use this as my concealer, but I do have this One Hydra Glow foundation that I have been loving from Makeup Forever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spot conceal pretty quick. You see that? That's where I spot conceal because that's where I'm insecure. I use like a fat ass brush. You see that? Perfect. All I have to do is go up with the best base and it's gonna be way more perfect. I'll go with this. Thank you so much Makeup Forever for sending me this, and PR people for hooking up me to the event. Like, jeez, the person that swatched for me went in with the first swatch and it was a perfect swatch, and she was rushing. She was like, I'll try this, you try first, later my client will come and help you because like I have to. I was like, girl, this is a perfect shade, thank you so much. And she hooked me up and she told me my shade is, hello, 3 and 40. Perfect. Even the loose powder that they gave me was perfect, so I will only go with 1 pump. And I also got their brush. Look at that, they engraved my name, and not like a normal engraving, like a rose gold engraving. Gorgeous. Background music, huh? I mean, look, gorgeous.
He had red wine, made me a better.
And I really need to introduce you guys to this. Like, my cheeks is shaking whenever I use this. This is a local, not local brand, but I got it off Shopee. It's the O2O Glow Color Bounce Blush in the shade 04, 05. All I do is, I'm sorry I'm looking down, I'm looking at a mirror. Like, I just apply it thoroughly. Like, if I apply this, sometimes I don't even have to blend. Please blend.
I had like too many shoes on the floor. Like normally I would eat it rather than my own house. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this. Okay, like 50. People will and I could be more excited, and it's pouring right now, so.
My favorite mascara. I don't know how long some more is it gonna take for me to switch from this to another one, because like I go all out to find this mascara. Love you, Huda, because I love this mascara. Can you see that? That's one coat. You see that? What I'm gonna do is quickly take my brown lip liner, my love of my life, and put it under my eye. Okay guys, I'm done. Let's set it with the long-lasting setting spray. The weather sucks. Every time when I'm here, it looks like it's gonna rain. And as I know, it already rained at certain place. But what stops me? Hey guys, it's the next day. Yeah, because yesterday when I wanted to put on my sari and come back to the camera, I totally forgot that I was vlogging. Yeah, that is super lame of me and I am sorry. But it's the next day. I'm all ready, same like yesterday, except no smoky eye underneath because I just wasn't feeling it. But I forgot to put lipstick in the previous video, so I'm gonna be using this vinyl ink. So for today's glow up, it's gonna be super girly. So let's brush this hair and show you guys, because it's been a while. I keep you guys awaited. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly take my mini bamboo brush, and this is from Coil, guys, by the way. Link in my description if you guys want to go and get it. Ah! I love it. I love how it's super curly today. Like yesterday the curl was like, and today the curl is like super curly, and it has to come down because it's like, yo, the volume. Okay, hair, chill. But look at them colors. So I went for like ash gray highlights. Can you guys see? Oh, I'm obsessed. And this is definitely giving very girlish. I am giving soft girl. Okay, let me brush this and calm this hair down. You know what? I'm actually loving this hair. I have this clip which is right, very perfect for my... Nah. Let me go through with my outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this. This is a super cute outfit that I got from Brand's outlet. I mean, can't quite. Let me show you the full length of it. Just look at it. Okay, I'm not being Betty Boop today. And that is all my transformation for this glow up. I definitely glowed up. I'm in love with this different type of hair. I've never worn other than brown, and I'm in love with this hair color. It's better in a different lighting. All done. I definitely enjoyed creating this, and if you guys want more glow up, comment down below what type of glow up video you guys want, like an ABG or like a Daisy glow up, or like you want me to do a get ready with me type of video. But until then, I'm gonna end this video here and see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Mwah.